Okay, so today we'll discuss about query optimization. So before that, last class we discussed about one topic. Anyone can say what is the topic? This one, query processing. Yes. So after that, so now we can. That means we already understood how to process the query. So now, so I think anyone have any doubt in this topic? So simply here, uh, just I'm briefly, then I will enter the main how to query optimize. Will optimize the query. So now, first of all, here two terms are there. Consider processing the query. So simply, this is our query, Brutus and Caesar. So simply, what we'll do, locate Brutus in the dictionary. So retrieve its posting and Caesar in the dictionary. So within the dictionary, Caesar is also there and Brutus. So then retrieve the posting list. So this is our main job. So after that, merge the two postings. So merge the two postings. That means here we'll perform the intersect the document set. So two documents are there, Brutus and Caesar. So after that we'll get the query. That means we'll get the value. That means Brutus and Caesar. So in which posting list Brutus and Caesar are there. That means Brutus and Ender. That means uh, both term is there. Brutus and Caesar. In which posting list? The 2 and 8. 2 and 8. So that means we'll get the value. Simply we'll perform the merge operation. So now, and I already discussed the algorithm also. Okay, very simple algorithm. Intersect two posting list and we'll get the answer. Okay. So today we'll discuss another topic, that is how, that means query optimization. So what is the best order for query processing? So first of all we have the posting list, that means dictionary and posting list. So our query is Brutus and California and Caesar. This is our query. Okay. So how, that means which operation will perform first, Brutus and California, after that California and Caesar. So this that means either first of all we perform this operation Brutus and California, after that we'll perform AND operation with Caesar. One option is there. Any other option? First of all we perform Brutus and Caesar, after that we'll perform the California AND operation with California. Any other option? First of all we perform the AND operation California and Caesar, after that we'll perform the AND operation with Brutus. So which one? So this is the question. That means what is the best order for query processing? Yes. So for each of the AND terms, get its posting, then AND them together. Okay. So what is the, that means best order? How? So first of all will, that means first of all we perform that means here length of the posting list. Length of the posting list. So now see, now here check Brutus. Length of the posting list is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Caesar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. and this one is a California is 2. Okay, so now if we perform the AND operation of Brutus and Caesar, Brutus and Caesar, that means first of all we perform the AND operation Brutus and Caesar, then we'll get that means after that, then that means after that, what is the length of posting list? Anyone can say, if we perform the AND operation of Brutus and Caesar, then what is the length of the posting list? Anyone can say? First of all, you try to understand my question. What is the best order for query processing? So this is the query, Brutus and California and Caesar. Okay. So which operation will perform first? Brutus and California, and after that will perform this one. So this is the question. Now how to solve this problem? So that's why I'm asking, suppose we are assuming, first of all, we perform Brutus and Caesar. So now, after that, after we'll perform the AND operation, after the perform AND operation, what is the maximum length of posting list? Anyone can say? Anyone?
3, sir.
Yes?
3.
No, actually Brutus. So here length of the posting list is 7. Okay, Brutus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes.
तो इंटरसेक्शन लेंगे ना उसके बाद.
हाँ, after intersection, suppose I am asking you not minimum, that means maximum. Suppose if you are assuming here 7 element is matching with 7 elements, that means all 7 elements is there. Assuming, suppose if you are assuming all 7 elements are present in the this Caesar, that means Caesar posting list and Brutus posting list. Suppose here 7 in case of Brutus, and in that case also, in that case 8. So now I am, suppose we are assuming ki all, suppose here 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128 posting lists are there. Here also 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 and 64 and 128 is there. So in that case, what is the maximum length of posting list after intersect operation, then after AND operation? That
जिसका मैक्सिमम लेंथ होगा.
नो नहीं, स्मॉल, सपोज 2 है ब्रोटस एंड सीजर, तो ब्रोटस का लेंथ 7 है, तो स्मॉलेस्ट जो है उसका जो मैक्सिमम होगा लेंथ ऑफ पोस्टिंग लिस्ट. So here length of posting list 7 in case of Brutus, and in that case length of posting list is 8. So which one? That means smallest is 7. After that, that means we'll get maximum 7. मेरा बात समझ में आया? मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि
Yes, sir.
Brutus में आपका 7 है पोस्टिंग लिस्ट, दैट मीन मैक्सिमम, यहाँ पे लेंथ है 7 और इसमें है 8. ठीक है, तो इसमें आफ्टर एंड ऑपरेशन जो स्मॉलेस्ट है, तो यहाँ पे स्मॉलेस्ट क्या 7 है, तो आप और एक चीज हम एज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि उसका जो है पोस्टिंग लिस्ट और इसका सेम है सपोज, तो मैक्सिमम कितना हो सकता है? दैट मीन 7 हो सकता है. यस, सो दैट इज माय क्वेश्चन. तो यहाँ पे आफ्टर दैट विल गेट, दैट मीन इसका 7 होगा. ओके फाइन. सो नाउ उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट, तो यहाँ पे हम लोग का क्वेरी प्रोसेसिंग और ऑप्टिमाइजेशन का मतलब है क्या है कि कितना फास्ट हमें वो करना है काम. ठीक है, अभी नेक्स्ट एक ऑप्शन है, तो दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे ये होगा. अच्छा, सपोज इफ यू आर एज्यूमिंग सीजर एंड कैलिफोर्निया, सपोज, ठीक है, तो इसके साथ आप जिसका भी करेंगे, मतलब सपोज एंड ऑपरेशन, इफ वी परफॉर्म द एंड ऑपरेशन सीजर एंड कैलिफोर्निया, तो देन आफ्टर दैट इसके बाद क्या होगा ना, इसका जो मैक्सिमम जो होगा आपका लेंथ ऑफ द पोस्ट 2 लेस देन इक्वल टू 2, दैट मीन्स लेस देन इक्वल टू 2. और उसमें क्या होता है लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 7। आई एम नॉट एग्जैक्टली वेयर, दैट मीन्स हम एग्जैक्टली नहीं बोल सकते कि 7, लेकिन लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 7 इन दैट केस, एंड इन दैट केस लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 2। यस, अगर आप कैलिफोर्निया के साथ किसी का ब्रोटस एंड सीजर, या फिर सीजर ब्रोटस एंड कैलिफोर्निया, या फिर सीजर एंड कैलिफोर्निया, तो ये जो इन दैट केस इसके साथ जिसका भी करेंगे तो इसका जो पोस्ट लेंथ ऑफ द पोस्टिंग लिस्ट होगा क्या होगा, लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 2। यस, लेस देन इक्वल्स
यस
टू
हाँ
2। ओके, तो अभी नेक्स्ट अब हम लोग का क्या है कि अब हम लोग को बताना है कि ये व्हाट इज द बेस्ट ऑर्डर फॉर क्वेरी प्रोसेसिंग। तो ये सिंपल हम लोग का क्वेरी है, लेकिन हम लोग को एक्चुअल में कैसे वो फाइंड आउट करते हैं। तो स्टार्ट विद द स्मॉलेस्ट सेट, दैट इज द कंसेप्ट और नथिंग इज। So start with the smallest set. So now we know which one the smallest set. One is a California and next Brotus.
गुड बस
Yes, so smallest set. So first of all we perform the AND operation with California and Brotus. Yes, after that we'll perform the AND operation next. That means Caesar. Yes, so this is the procedure. Next, ठीक है? Anyone have any doubt? Anyone have any doubt?
नो
Anyone?
सर
Okay. Any other students? Please give the response.
नो सर
Okay, very good. Okay. So next, another thing is more general optimization. More general optimization. Suppose one example is there, madding or crowd and ignorable or strip. That means first of all or operation and ignorable or this. So now get document frequency for all terms. So first of all, you get the document frequency for all terms. Let's see. After that, I'll show the one example. So estimate the size of each OR by the sum of its document frequency. That means simply here we perform the sum of two. That means suppose madding. So we first of all we'll get the document frequency of all the terms. So first of all we'll get the madding. So we'll get the document frequency and crowd. So crowd also will get the document, that means document frequency. After that, simply we perform, that means estimate the size of each OR by the sum of its document frequency. Simply we perform the sum of its document frequency. जो document frequency है उसका sum करने के बाद will get the estimate size of each OR. तो इसका जो OR करने के बाद will get the, that means estimate size of the OR. That means simply perform the sum of its document frequency. Okay. After that, process in increasing order of OR size. Again, I am repeat. Process in increasing order of OR size. Maybe यहाँ पे madding और crowd है, and ignorable और strip है, और भी हो सकता है, and some और भी हो सकता है इसे और. So how will decide to which the that means which the sequence or we follow, that means which first of all which operation will perform. So simply here क्या करना है, now first of all will, that means estimate the size of OR by the sum of its simply document frequency. Let's see. I'll show one example. So first of all you will give the answer, after that I will explain. Yes, so here now exercise. So term eyes, kaleidoscope, then marmalade, skies, tangerine, and trees. So document frequency is given, each and every term here. So document frequency is given. Now, now you tell me, this is the that means this is the that means here already given this one. tangerine or trees, and marmalade or skies, and kaleidoscope or ice. So now you just tell me the sequence. Which two terms should we process first? Which two terms should we process first? So please, you try to give the answer. So first of all, what we'll do? If you see this one, if you want to see the theory, you can check it. So get the document frequency for all terms. Here all terms is given. Yes. So now estimate the size of each OR by the sum of its in. That means here already given document frequency for all terms. Yes. After that, we'll perform the estimate the size of each OR, and how we'll find out? Simply sum of its document frequency. After that, we'll process in increasing order of OR sizes. Now you give the answer. Which two terms should we process first?
सर आइज एंड और क्रेडिस्कोप को करेंगे टैंगलिन और ट्रीज के साथ एंड मतलब
So that means first of all we perform the add operation. Yes. After that, not AND operation, simply OR operation. So how will estimate the size? Simply AND. तो यहाँ पे simply add sum of two frequency. So इसमें first of all we try to find out the smallest value. Which one is the smallest?
कैलेडोस्कोप और आइज.
Okay. After that,
टैंगरिन और ट्रीज.
second smallest is?
टैंगरिन और ट्रीज.
Okay, very good. And after that?
सर मार्मेलेड और स्काइज.
Okay. So that's why, that means here answer is eyes and kaleidoscope. That means eyes और kaleidoscope. इसका और ऑपरेशन होगा. एंड नेक्स्ट जो होगा वो होगा आपका टेंजेरियन एंड ट्रीज. दैट मीन्स और ट्रीज. यस, ठीक है ना. उसके बाद एंड ऑपरेशन लास्ट में क्या होगा? मार्मेलेडे और स्काइज. ठीक है. सो यहाँ पे एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट? इसका जो आंसर बताएं. एनीवन?
सर नहीं समझ में आया.
नहीं समझ में आया. ओके, वेरी गुड. आई विल रिपीट. Which two terms should we process first? Okay. So first of all, here every terms, that means each and every terms has document frequency is given. We know the document frequency of eyes. What is the document frequency of eyes is 21312. And another thing we know, we'll perform the OR operation of kaleidoscope or eyes. Okay. That's why we first of all we add two terms. टू टर्म्स मीन्स हियर टू टर्म्स का जो डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी उसको ऐड करेंगे. तो सिंपली इफ वी परफॉर्म द ऐड, दैट मीन्स इफ वी ऐड टू टर्म्स, दैट मीन्स आईज और यहाँ पे एक चीज देखिए आप, जो कैलाइडोस्कोप और आईज का बीच में और ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई वी जस्ट सिंपली ऐड द डॉक्यूमेंट फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ आईज एंड कैलाइडोस्कोप. यस. First of all, this is the logic, because first question will arise from you, why will add eyes and kaleidoscope document frequency, because here the given question is kaleidoscope or eyes. That's why we add the document frequency of two terms. Yes. So this is the first duty. Then another group is marmalade or skies. Okay, so the next will perform the that means simply add the document that means two document frequency. So marmalade and this ये दोनों का add होगा. Yes. Then another last group is tangerine and trees, that means or trees. So if you perform, that means we'll make the group, then we'll get the document, that means estimate that means total that means we'll get the value of two document frequency, that means two terms. So simply perform the simply add, that means sum of the two document frequency. So you simply perform sum of this. So what will be the value? That means 21213312 plus 8787009. So we'll get the value. Anyone फटाक से बोलो इसका ऐड करने के बाद क्या होगा? कितना होगा? जल्दी बोलो. Anyone? अब मुझे ऐड करना पड़ेगा. Simply add 2.
3,03,21.
Just simply you tell me the digit. 3
32
32
0
0
321.
321. ओके ओके. तो ये जो ऐड किया किसका किसका बीच में किया? आइज एंड कैलाइडोस्कोप. क्यों किया ना? द गिवन क्वेश्चन इज कैलाइडोस्कोप, दैट इज जो क्वेरी है कैलाइडोस्कोप और आइज, ये दोनों का बीच में और ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई सिंपली वी परफॉर्म द that means sum of two document frequency. Okay, similarly we perform the or operation, or means simply add of two document frequency. So next one is the marmalade and skies. So simply if you perform the add, ये दोनों का add अगर करेंगे 107913 plus 271 658, then we'll get the value. Anyone calculation karo. Next one is 46653 plus 316812. Now we'll get the value. Just you tell me the value. Do fast. One 107,913 913 plus 271,658. So we'll get 379 571. And next one, sorry, next one, जल्दी ऐड तो करो. हाँ
363
363
465.
465. So now you tell me which one is the smallest. This one is the smallest.
Sir,
Yes.
first one.
Yes, first one is the smallest. And second smallest, this one.
Last. Sir, third.
Yes, this one. So third one is the second smallest. So पहला लॉजिक मैंने बताया था आपको क्या करना है. this one, and last one. So simply our query is, so here question was which operation will perform first, which two terms should we process first. So which two terms should we process first? So first of all, first I already explained first one. First one I already explained. This one. Start with smallest set. Yes. Yes or no? Start with smallest
Yes.
set. So now that's why. So here you start smallest set. Which one is a smallest set? Eyes and kaleidoscope. Eyes and kaleidoscope. So eyes and kaleidoscope, or that means first of all, if we can write here, uh, this operation will perform fast. This operation, that means kaleidoscope or eyes, and 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 which one? Second smallest. Second smallest means tangerine and trees. Tangerine और trees. ठीक है. तो simply इसका आंसर जो होगा आपका, if we can write here, let's see if it is possible, then I, so that means here this one, control C, control C, control V, इसके बाद एंड ऑपरेशन, परफॉर्म द एंड ऑपरेशन किसके साथ? दिस वन, दिस control C, yes, perform this one. Yes. So which two terms should we process first? These two terms. Yes. After that, last one. Last one is this. And last one is this one. I think now clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
ये आपका क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, ये इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है, यहाँ से ऐसा क्वेश्चन रहेगा. ठीक. तो इतना देर से मेरा जो कहने का था यही वाला था मेन ये. ठीक है. So I think clear to everyone.
सर तो सर एंड ऑपरेशन है तो उसको इनटू करना है बाद में.
इसके बाद
एंड ऑपरेशन.
हाँ, इसके बाद तो एंड ऑपरेशन में सिंपली क्या करते हैं? एंड ऑपरेशन में इंटरसेक्शन, जो इंटरसेक्ट है. लेकिन हम लोग यहाँ पे यार सिंपली और ऑब्जेक्टिव व्हिच टू टर्म्स शुड वी प्रोसेस, बिकॉज नाउ वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट ऑप्टिमाइज, है ना. ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कैसे हम लोग एक दैट मींस क्वेरी ऑप्टिमाइजेशन कैसे करेंगे. सो दिस इज द, इन दिस वे वी कैन ऑप्टिमाइज द क्वेरी. Very simple actually. We are that means in a Google search or in the search engine, हम लोग we generally we term the NLP language. Now वो कैसे वहाँ पे प्रोसेस होगा, that is our main objective. So ऐसे ही ये मतलब ये सब क्वेरी ऑप्टिमाइजेशन जो सीक्वेंस कैसा होगा, वो कैसे फास्ट होगा, तो वो चीज यहाँ से. Okay, I think less than 1 minute. So next class I will discuss exercise, query processing one exercise is there. So next class I will discuss about phrase query. Okay. So next class